So I was gifted this DJI Mini 2, but unfortunately, due to my state's regulations and my county's regulations, I can't use this thing. And this is why I hate my state, because they screw up a good amount of things. And this is not the first time they've done something stupid. They've closed down restaurants twice, or I think there was actually another time where they did. But still, they closed down restaurants due to the pandemic, and I don't know how long it's been like this, but you really can't fly drones in my area. It might be because there's a airport nearby me. I think that was one of the reasons. You can't fly drones, like, over streets and stuff, which I also think is pretty stupid, and along with a lot of other things you can't do. So now, yeah, I really wanted to try out drones, but unfortunately, I can't. So, yeah, that's, pretty much why I hate my state, along with a lot of people who are here, because people in my state are stupid. But, yeah, thank you for watching, goodbye.